Hi guys, my name is Marek. Welcome in Energy Freedom TV. We're gonna show you something interesting on this channel, I hope. If you know how to use the power, you don't have problems. Everything will be connected to the internet. 1000 more batteries like this, you could probably make plasma. Proper battery fuse. Let's see what the charge controller is doing. Yeah, straight away, 16 watts from our panels. So the problem with these batteries, you need to give them some love. Well, you should do minus first, but as I said, no one is perfect. Woo! 2516 watts and 63 amps from the battery. Taram, taram, inverter on. You can have a party.